Everyone is making videos about buying cheap land and getting a free passport in return. Almost none of them tell you the truth. Most of these countries do not give you citizenship for buying property. They give you residency. And residency is not the same thing as a passport. So today I am not giving you another random top 10 list. I am sorting these countries into the 3 parts. The first is buy property and get citizenship directly with no years of living there required. Second, buy property and get residency, and citizenship comes later, only if you actually live there. The third, you cannot even own the land, but there is still a real door open. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which tier fits your budget, your patience, and your passport goals. Let's get into it. Let's start with the first. Direct citizenship through real estate with no residency requirement at all. These are the Caribbean citizenship by investment programs. You buy the property, you wait for the background checks to clear, and you get sworn in as a citizen. You never have to set foot in the country to make it happen. First up, Dominica. The minimum investment starts at $200,000 in government-approved real estate. Processing takes just 3 to 6 months, making it one of the fastest citizenship programs on earth. You are required to hold the property for 3 years, and after that you are free to sell it while keeping your citizenship for life. The Dominica passport gives you visa-free access to roughly 130 countries. Next, Grenada. The minimum here is $270,000, and processing takes 7 to 8 months. What makes Grenada stand out from the rest of the Caribbean is one specific feature. Its passport qualifies you for the United States E2 investor visa, something most Caribbean passports simply do not offer. You need to hold the property for 5 years before reselling, but your citizenship is never affected by that sale. Then there is St. Lucia. Investment starts at $300,000 and processing takes 12 to 14 months. There is no physical residency requirement ever, and St. Lucia does not tax the worldwide income of non-residents, which makes it appealing well beyond the passport itself. And finally, St. Kitts and Nevis. This is the oldest citizenship by investment program in the world, running since 1984. The minimum investment is $325,000, processing takes just 3 to 4 months, and it is widely considered the gold standard for due diligence and program stability. The passport gives you visa-free access to more than 140 countries, including the United Kingdom and the Schengen zone in Europe. Now here is the honest trade-off with all 4 of these Caribbean programs. This is the most expensive entry point on the entire list. And none of these passports get you visa-free access into the United States itself. What you are buying is speed, certainty, and global mobility almost everywhere except the one country most people actually want to visit visa-free. Let's move to part 2. This is where most of these buy land, get a passport videos start lying to you, whether they mean to or not. These countries give you a legal foothold, not a passport, not on day one. What you are actually buying is a residency permit, and citizenship only comes later, and only if you genuinely live there for years. Turkey is actually the exception inside this tier. You can buy property starting at $400,000, and unlike the other countries in this group, there is no residency requirement at all. Citizenship can be granted in as little as 4 to 9 months. If your budget stretches that far, Turkey behaves more like a Tier 1 country than a Tier 2 one. Panama requires an investment starting at $300,000. You need to hold the property for 5 years, and you only need to visit the country once every 2 years to stay eligible. After that period, you can apply for citizenship. Panama also runs a territorial tax system, meaning income you earn outside of Panama is not taxed at all. Portugal is next, and I want to flag something important here. Golden visa minimums have risen sharply in recent years, and direct property routes have actually been restricted under recent policy changes. Expect to need upward of €280,000 depending on the category you qualify under. Citizenship becomes possible after 5 years of legal residency status. But because these rules shift so often, always verify the current requirements before you commit any capital. Greece works similarly. Property investment starts around 250,000 euros in most regions, though that number climbs significantly higher in Athens and the popular islands, following threshold increases back in 2023. The golden visa here leads to European Union citizenship, but only after years of legal residency. Georgia offers the cheapest entry point on this list that is still adjacent to Europe. The minimum investment is $150,000, but citizenship requires long-term physical residency, and it is not guaranteed just because you meet the investment threshold. Ecuador has a legal minimum investment of around $48,000, although real prices in cities like Quito and Cuenca typically start closer to $80,000. One underrated benefit here, Ecuador uses the US dollar as its currency, so there is no exchange rate risk to worry about. A citizenship path does exist, but again, it requires years of genuine residency, not just a property purchase. Colombia and Brazil both offer real estate-linked residency programs. Colombia's threshold starts around $130,000, and Brazil starts between $140,000 and $200,000 depending on the region. In both countries, naturalization becomes possible after 4 to 5 years of continuous residency. Neither of these is a buy and get your passport shortcut. You genuinely have to build a life there first. And then there is Albania, which has no strict legal minimum investment at all. Real-world prices for property start around $80,000, making it the cheapest European entry point on this entire list. But just like the rest of this tier, what you are getting is residency, not citizenship, and you will need years of physical presence before naturalization becomes possible. Now let's talk about part 3, where you cannot even own the land, but there is still a real and legitimate path forward. The Philippines is the clearest example. Foreigners are not allowed to own land there, full stop. What you can own are condominium units, and you can lease land long-term instead of buying it outright. But the Philippines does offer something genuinely useful, the Special Resident Retirees Visa. You deposit somewhere between $10,000 and $20,000, depending on your age, and you get permanent residency fast. This is not citizenship, and I want to be clear about that. But it is real, it is fast, it is affordable, and it should not be confused with the citizenship by investment programs we covered in part 1. Now here is the part almost nobody says out loud in these videos. Every single one of these programs gets more expensive and more restrictive over time. Portugal has already scaled back its real estate route. Greece already raised its thresholds in Athens. Turkey's minimum climbed from $250,000 to $400,000 in just a few years. These doors do not stay this size forever. What is achievable today may simply be out of reach in 18 months. And if you are watching this from Africa, here is something worth sitting with. Most of these videos are built for a Western audience with Western capital. The opportunity almost nobody covers is African-to-African relocation and even repatriation programs for the diaspora, some of which are genuinely cheaper and far less bureaucratic than anything on this list. That is a video for another day, so make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss it. So which tier actually matches where you are right now? A fast passport with a bigger budget, sitting in part 1? Or a slower build toward residency with a smaller budget, sitting in part 2? Let me know in the comments which one fits your situation. And if this video just saved you from believing one of those buy land, get a passport instantly videos that were not quite telling you the full truth, do me a favor and subscribe. There is a lot more